Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Jacob, and I'm the Chief of Product at Check, and today we're walking through how to create an account and get set up with Check. Now, once you've downloaded from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, you'll be greeted with this lovely screen, and you'll have four options to sign up. You can sign up with your email, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook. If you already have an account, you can tap that login option down at the bottom there, and it'll take you to this screen where you can log in with, you guessed it, your email, Apple, Google, or Facebook, depending on how you set your account up. Now, it's important to note that if you do choose Apple, Google, or Facebook, those companies are going to be the ones managing your authentication, which basically means you can't change your password through Check, you can't change your email through Check. All of those credentials are hosted and controlled by the company you sign up with. So if you create an account with Google and your email is firewizard79@gmail.com, then you have to go into Google or log in through Google with firewizard79@gmail.com. So I just wanted to point that out. It's a little different than the traditional sign up with your email process. But we're going to go ahead and tap sign up with your email. I'll just show you as we get started here. I'm going to add a little extension here so we get a unique email for the demo. Once we've created our username and password, we're going to tap next, and it's going to ask us to verify that email. So just review, and if everything looks good, just tap yes. It's going to ask us for a few more pieces of information here. This information will show up on your invoices, so make sure that it is correct and spelled correctly and everything looks good so that your clients aren't greeted with something like FireWizard79. I'm going to tap sign up here. Lovely. We're verified and logging in with this brand new email account. We're greeted here with a blank slate, so everything is empty. The best way to get started is by tapping that big blue plus button down there at the bottom. This will allow you to immediately add clients, properties, jobs, charges, or payments. Now, obviously, the bottom four there, properties through payments, do require a client to be added first in order to attach those things to a client. So the best way to get started is just to tap that add client button in the top. It'll ask you to access your contacts. Go ahead and say okay. And now you can select and import, or you can just add manually by tapping that button in the bottom right. And that is the best way to get set up. I would also recommend that if you want to review your business settings, go to the Office tab, the fourth one there on the far right, and tap that cog in the top right corner, and that's going to bring up all of your business settings. So you can go through your business name, make sure you add that in there, your services, which are currently empty, invoice and payment settings, scheduling settings, and of course double check your profile if you'd like to add an address or edit your phone number or name or something like that. And that's the best way to quickly get set up with Check. It only takes a minute and a half or so max, and you'll be off to the races. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one.